Well, we made it to the end of 2020, and I think we can all agree that it'll be nice to send this year to the fire pit. For a lot of us, this has been a year of experimentation and introspection and just trying new things. A lot of people took up woodworking for the first time in their lives in 2020. Thousands of you joined my weekend woodworker community in 2020 and have started in on a hobby that's going to continue to grow throughout your lives. When the lockdown started in March, I didn't want to keep making videos the same as always. I needed something to keep my mind active, but mostly I just needed a better way to connect with you, so I started that lockdown woodworking series. Other than when I eliminated sponsorships a few years ago, this was the biggest change I've made in my channel in 12 years. Today my videos receive way fewer views, but those viewers are far more engaged. I think a YouTube channel is better defined by the quality of its viewers rather than the quantity of viewers. And really, from a business point of view, it's better to curate passionate customers who can grow with you. As soon as I ditched the idea of what a woodworking channel is supposed to look like, my channel actually became stronger. And speaking of trying new things, I also started a podcast with Chad Reynolds this year that grew out of some Zoom conversations we were having. It's all about YouTube and how it's evolved over the years. Chad and Steve Have a Podcast is really the most exciting thing I've started in years, and it's growing like crazy. I hope you'll check it out. Thank you all who posted a joke on day 3 of the lockdown. If I ever need a pick-me-up, I just spend some time scrolling through the comments on that video. Thank you all who put up with my crazy catification videos. You know who you are. Thank you all who have offered valuable woodworking suggestions when I faced a problem. That was another advantage to posting my project builds kind of while I was making them. Thanks for signing up for my little monthly newsletter. I really have fun writing those. And for those of you who watched my Halloween video, thank you. You are now cursed. This summer we did the Woodworking Summer Jam. That was a ton of fun, and I definitely want to do that again. It's just so inspiring to see the things that you guys make. And then we sort of did that again in November when you started sharing your holiday gift projects. I'm still amazed at the sheer amount of participation. At the end of the year, I usually reflect on the woodworking projects I've made, but this year my thoughts are more about the human connections I've made. This may be a woodworking channel, but it goes deeper than that. This was the year when we needed those connections more than ever. Early this year, I thought it would be fun to start sending out Woodworking for Mere Mortals stickers, just as a way of thanking you for supporting my channel, but that became one of the most unexpected sources of human connection I've ever felt. Honestly, I can't begin to tell you how deeply your letters and packages have affected me. I mean, hundreds and hundreds of you took the time to write me long, handwritten notes. Some of them made me laugh and gave me the uplift I needed, and others literally brought tears to my eyes. I will never get used to that kind of attention and never take it for granted. I'm just a guy with some crappy tools and a camera. Look, I know that the world isn't suddenly going to be fixed on January 1st, but I do see light at the end of this long tunnel and a brighter future. Keep creating things and moving forward. Focus on the things that you have control over, and when those around you want to drag you down with continual pessimism, be the guy who spreads hope and strength. Resolve to be a person who is a beacon of optimism and positivity in 2021. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.